Making a nice reflective mirror in Blender is an easy job using cycles. You just need the principled BSDF with a max metallic and low roughness. The same thing can be done using a glossy shader. However, if you switched to Eevee and turned on the screen reflection, you will get this weird result, even with Blender 4.2. So, for accurate reflections, we need to use light probes, in specific the plane or the reflection plane. Now, place the cursor on your mirror object, then add the probe on it, and rotate the plane to line with the mirror. Once it's matched, you will get a nice-looking mirror in Eevee, and you can parent that to the mirror if you want to move it around. If the reflection looks a bit fuzzy, turn off the half-resolution trace option. And if you're on Blender 4.2, you might try the spatial reuse option in the denoising tab. And that's it. The sphere probe can help enhance the entire scene's reflections, and we did use it in the last Eevee lighting tutorial, so go watch it if you want. See you guys next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.